Hi guys, good afternoon, 3rd of November 2017, and let's talk about market. It's 12:28 right now. European market is just about to open, and let's see what's happening in Indian market. So this is the Indian market, like this is Nifty Cash, and if I can tell you from here by looking at it, that Nifty is in a very strong up run, right? See here, the crossover of 200 moving average, 10, 50, 10 and 50 moving average has happened, and they both went above 200 moving average, and the run up looks pretty good to me. And just see here this bend in the moving average, right? It tells me that Nifty definitely plans to go up, right? So what did I do? I opened its option chain as well. So this is 10,400, right? You can see this is the call writing. This is the call writing happening. 86,625. At the same level, the put writing. See the amount of put writing. 5,48,000. That means Nifty doesn't plan to go below 10,400. That is one thing for sure in the recent future. This will not go down. What can we expect? Where will it go? How much will it go? So if I look into here, there is very less call writing happening at 10,400 level, which is like, see, it's just 10%, like very less, like about 10-12% of this particular value. So the next level where I see the call writing happening is at 10,500, right? So that means then definitely Nifty is going to be, it could be a range bound, it could be range bound between 10,000. Right now it's at 10,440, so it can't go below 10,400. So it's going to be between 10,400 to 10,500, right? It looks promisingly positive. Let's see what's happening with respect to the pivot point. So this is the pivot point. Nifty opened gap up on R1, above R1, way above R1, and then it did not sustain itself. It came down massively, took a support on R1 in pivot points, and now it's range bound, right? It's between S1 and R1. So sorry, it took a support from S1. Now Nifty is in a narrow range, right? So let's see how it goes. What happens to me? If you ask me my personal view, to me Nifty looks very promising, very promising and positive. I don't think so from any angle it is negative. Okay, so what we did today, the trade that I had given it to my members was Apollo Tires. Apollo Tires, we have actually bought puts of Apollo Tires. So let me just see if I could show you. If I could just show you, then I'll probably show you here. So here is, people have sent me Apollo Tires profit, and there are a few more that I have got here. You can see we have also shorted. No, this is they have done on their own. Tata Power, Apollo Tire 220 put, 6,000 rupees profit. Then, I mean, many of them sent. Those who have sent, I'm showing you that Apollo Tires 2,100 profit, and Federal Bank is another that we shorted, right? We bought its put. So all of the trades that I have given are in good profit. Like you can see here how a Federal Bank has done, promisingly going down, right? It had just a good free fall happening here, and same thing was happening with Apollo Tires, right? And that is the reason we yesterday bought its put, both the puts, right? And we have actually created a buy position in Tata Power. So Tata Power actually opened massively gap up, and then after that a bit of profit booking has come in spite of good results. Now I'm expecting it to go above. This support of 10 moving average looks very promising. You can see it here. This looks very promising to me, right? So as I was talking to you people yesterday, you remember I talked about Gokul Agro. Again it is up. again it is up. See, today again it is up, and look into its, the percentage that it is up is good, about 8%. 8% it is up. So in one day, it's giving a profit of 8%. Whenever the breakout comes, after that you can expect good returns coming in from the particular stock. And the Ramki, again, I'm not getting over this particular stock. I gave it at 99 rupees. 99 rupees over here when it was taking a support. And it has given you this run up. I gave it on around 28th of September, right? October has passed by. Today is just the beginning of November. And in 20 trading sessions, 22 trading sessions, it has given this run up. 85% or 86% profit. What do you want? Doubling your money in less than 1 month. Graphite India, look into the huge breakouts every day this stock gives, right? These are all monopoly stock. Even HEG, just unstoppable. 1840, where we started, 400 and something. Look into the amount of profit that it has given. My members have found TVS Elect at this point, right at 187 or 200 rupees. It has, within no time, it has gone up to 546. So this is the power of technicals. This is the power of technicals which I teach in my webinar. And if you want to understand that power, and if you want to utilize that power, we gave you BF utility, right? BF utility we gave you somewhere here at this point. 368 or 3780 is what our price was. Today it is at 574. Not more than month and a half. Okay. And as I told you yesterday, please, my request to you is, do not trade in options or do not trade in futures if you don't understand. And every stock that I discuss on this forum, which is the YouTube or my Telegram channel, none of them is either future or option. All of them are cash stocks. So even if we talk about ICIL, our stop loss will be 96. I mean, we have given you a stop loss of 110, but on a broader range, on a long-term perspective, we can keep our stop loss at 94 rupees or so, right? So this will allow us to have a good run up. Okay. Now let's see what's happening in the rest of the stocks. So one stock that since morning we had on our radar was SAIL. We have traded in this particular stock, SAIL. See, this is the run up it gave. The moment SAIL broke its morning range, once it was broken, it just gave us a huge amount of profit. This was its morning range. This tiny little candle that you see, this was the morning range. And once it broke that, it has been just in uptrend, right? So how do we really identify these stocks? How do we come to a point where we say, yes, this is about to move? And how do we enter? Where do we enter and when do we exit? This is what I will be teaching you. This was another stock on my radar, Tata Power. The moment its morning range was broken, we entered into it, and this is the beautiful run up it has given, right? So it is just not the morning range. We combine a lot of other factors which tells us that the stock is about to go up, right? And JBMA, I told you the other day, to me it looks very, very good. Again, it is now on an uptrend journey. The day I talked to you, it was about at 535 or so. Today it is at 560, right? So this is again a very, very promising uptrending stock. Okay, something that is looking weak to me is Ultratech Cement. Ultratech Cement is looking little weak to me. It's kind of looking as if it's heading down. So let's see. It's a very, very high valued stock. So please don't do like that anything. You will have to wait and watch and then see what's happening in the particular stock, right? So what I'm saying now, let's come back to Nifty once again. Nifty, whenever something reaches to a huge top, there is always that uncertainty. There's always that, what do you say, discomfort. So Nifty is little uncomfortably high, and let's do one more thing. We go to NSE and let's see what is its PE, right? Probably that will help us. Indexes, we go to indexes and we go to the historical history, we go to the live market, we go to the indices, we go to the product, and we go to the indices, and we check the historical data. Let's see what's happening to the PE. Nifty PE we want, and we want for, let's say, 1st November or till date, this date PE. Let's see, we see what it is at 26, 2nd November yesterday, it was at 26.63, which is a very, very phenomenally high value. If it crosses 27, it becomes very dangerous. Very, very dangerously high, right? It becomes dangerously high value. So what we will have to do is sit very tight with our positions. We need to know, if we are having losses, bear little losses and stand out, right? If you are having profit, then book profit. Rather, this is a time when you need to look for some kind of shorting trade. As I told you, we shorted yesterday Apollo Tires. We shorted yesterday Federal Bank, right? We found there is a weakness in them, and that is how we entered in each of them. One of the stock that I have since yesterday on my radar is Raymond's. Raymond's is been doing very, very well. Very, very well. It had given a good run up the day before. Yesterday, a bit of consolidation. Today, again, it is on uptrend. So Raymond is something that was looking very, very good to me. Fine. So with the hope that you will all learn, like tomorrow we are starting, and those who have HDFC Bank card and the SBI card don't need to worry. Just text us on our phone number, which is 8920891948, either to Prabhu or to me. We will provide you a link for tomorrow's class, and we'll provide you a link for Monday's class. By then, I'm 100% sure our HDFC Bank and SBI card will be active, and you'll be able to pay by that. Okay, so my mind is only working, how can I make you more comfortable? And I'm 100% sure with Monday, our link is by 100% SBI and HDFC link will be activated. So you don't need to worry. If you want to join our webinar, text us or email it to us. We will send you the link, and only thing is you have to tell us that you are planning to join. And we believe in people, we trust people. On that trust, we will send you the link of Monday, Saturday, and the Monday class. Fine. So enjoy the beautiful trades, that are that stock market keeps giving time and again to us, right? And earn good profit. That is what we would like to suggest you. That without learning, please don't enter into the market. Don't ever enter in the market if you don't understand how is it going to behave. Another stock that we definitely have for long on our radar and keeps giving us breakout time and again is DLF. One stock that I forgot to tell you is Biocon, which my members have traded, and definitely I'm also watching it, but on a different radar. Biocon, right? This is Biocon. See, it is just flying up. We had done trading in this. This is the huge, this is the profit that it has given. So in a market which is range bound, you can work in either of the direction. You can buy or you can sell. When the stock is going up, you should only do the trades which are in the upward direction. When a market is going down, you should do trade only in the downward direction. But when the market is range bound, either of the direction you can trade. Fine. So see you tomorrow. I'm really waiting each of you. Already many members have joined, and I really feeling that somewhere you all trust me, somewhere all of you believe me, and somewhere you believe that I will be able to, impart some kind of, profitable knowledge to you. With that, I'm saying that your trust will not be broken. You will always feel that this is something you've done, some wonderful thing you've done in your life. Okay? So with this, I'm signing off. Hoping to see you all. Those who have HDFC and SBI card, they don't need to worry. Just text me. We will send you tomorrow's link and Monday's link. Fine. Good day. Bye bye. See you tomorrow in the webinar. Not on the YouTube, but in the webinar. Any detail that you want, you can go to the description box. You will find my number. You will find my email ID. Just log in, text, email, whatever you want to do, and we will provide you tomorrow's webinar. Tomorrow's an introductory lecture. So just simply rules, regulation, how do we trade, what do we do, what is the background of the people who are working behind the scenes. Everything will be talking about tomorrow, and certain amount of little bit of work also will be doing. But the Monday onwards, serious study will begin. So I am really looking forward to see you all. Good day. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.